Hi Ultimate Gardeners, welcome back to the Ultimate Gardening channel. My name is Emmanuel Arce, well known as the Ultimate Gardener. In today's exciting sprouting video, I would like to talk to you guys about and show you guys a little tomato hack that I learned when I first planted my tomato plants. So this is how to multiply your tomato plants and how to get free tomato plants in your garden. So I know everybody loves a free bargain, and so this only applies when you already have a mature tomato. I have a tomato growing in the backyard that is doing pretty darn well, and so I have the supplies and materials needed to do this, and so I would recommend starting your tomato plants from seed. But this tomato was grown from a nursery, and I did buy it from the nursery. But this is an easy method to get free tomato plants within an instant. So if you want to know how to get free tomato plants, please stay tuned with us. So Ultimate Gardeners, here I have a grape cherry tomato plant that I'm trying out this year. You can see the visible connection between one branch and then the main stem. The stem we want to keep is the main stem because this leads the plant from growing and provides most of the energy stored in here, which actually helps the tomatoes actually form. So you don't want to take this out, but you do want to take the branch that is disturbing the main stem, because this causes a whole bunch of energy to be wasted instead of focusing on more bigger and more plumpier tomatoes. And so a lot of gardeners recommend taking this off, which we will be doing in this video, which is we're using a tomato branch, but we're actually using it in good purpose, in which we're getting free tomato plants off of it. So the thing you want to do, here I have the branch, you want to carefully get your snips and then cut it off right there. Nothing that hard, nothing that out of this world, just very easy. And then you have this stem ready to be propagated and ready to be used into a new tomato plant. So let me go ahead and move the camera to another area to show you guys what we have to do in order to get this stem to become an entire new tomato plant. So Ultimate Gardeners, here's the materials you're going to need in order to propagate your tomato stem. You're going to need a bucket of soil right here. No garden soil, that's a huge no-no. You want some type of rooting hormone, but you could also go ahead and root your tomato plants in water, which is an other free alternative way. But I find the rooting hormone to be way more faster and way more, effective. So here I have the tomato plant right here, a very healthy stem. And so as you can notice, we have long stem branches right here, or long leaves. So the thing you want to do is take those off, because those are just wasting the energy of the tomato plant, and you don't want that to happen. You want it to focus on root growth. Then if I zoom it up, you can see already bud formations, which you want to go ahead and take that off too, because you don't want it focusing on any fruit production just yet. So then focusing onto the pot now, you want to go ahead and make a hole, a previous hand, because you don't want to put the rooting hormone and push it down in there, because the rooting hormone is going to completely come off the stem, and you don't want that to happen. So then you're going to get your rooting hormone, which looks like this. You're going to dip the tomato stem in there like so, place it in there, and then top dress it yet again with soil. Compress it down a little bit so no air bubbles are left over, and then you're done. Now you're only gonna wait a few days until roots are formed, and then until you're ready to go tomato plant. And so you're just gonna want to water it every single day, because you want to keep that soil moist so it could go ahead and activate the rooting hormone to start using it and start making the tomato plant grow roots. So let me go ahead and wrap this video up for you guys. So Ultimate Gardeners, that's going to be it for this exciting sprouting video. Hopefully you like the idea of multiplying your plants for free, because who doesn't like plants for free? Because I do. So before wrapping this video up, I want to feature an amazing gardener that I just met recently, which is Garden Revived. He has an entire channel on gardening related stuff, technically what I do, except more on the flower scale. And so he teaches you details and stuff like that on how to care for your flowering shrubs, annuals, you name it in the flower industry. He'll teach you about it. So if you want to check out his channel, I'll be leaving a link down below for you guys to check out, as well as a link up here somewhere. So make sure to go support his channel and show him some love so he can reach 100 subscribers. So thank you all so much for watching, and never forget to grow big, Ultimate Gardeners. Bye guys.